In this video, I'm gonna show you an ant infestation and show you how to fix it. This plant did not grow for a year. Why? Ants live in its roots. If insects are exposed in the leaves, it's easy to find out. But if insects are under your plant, specifically in the roots, it's difficult to spot it. So here are the common signs of ant infestation in your succulents. Once these signs are spotted, check the roots closely. Sign number 1. Thin plant. Sign number 2. Dull color. Sign number 3. Not growing. Sign number 4. Ants presence. Now, let's fix this. Uproot your succulent carefully, without damaging the roots. Submerge, and wash in water. Wash it thoroughly to make sure all insects and soil are flushed out. Sprinkle it with cinnamon powder or other antifungal substance. Because ants grows fungi in their colony. Cinnamon powder is known for its antifungal properties, and it's easy to find in stores. Replace new pot. You may reuse its pot, but should be washed thoroughly. Soil must be replaced, so anything left by ants will go away too. Place the succulent in bright indoor for about 2 to 4 weeks, so it can grow new roots. After that, you can start treating it as your regular succulent. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. For questions, please comment below.
Mm-hmm.